Good morning. Welcome to today's lesson on how to transcribe words on the last topic we learned last week. Who could remind me of the sound of that topic? Okay, everyone, sound it. That sound we learned last week. Sound it, let me hear you. Okay, the sound is So your lips just open a little, not too wide and not too tight. Okay, and the name of the sound is schwa. Don't forget that. So this morning we'll be learning how to transcribe that schwa sound in words. Okay? Now, to transcribe it in words, you just need to listen to the way a word that is having the sound is pronounced. Now, from the pronunciation, you can then write the sounds of each letter from that word, the way it's pronounced. You write it like that. Now, to transcribe in words, this is the first thing you must know. You must know how to write the symbol of that okay? Now, it's very simple to write the symbol of just the way you write in your numeracy or math, the way you write this figure. 6. Now, to write will be the opposite of 6. So instead of 6 like this, facing out, you write like this. Facing your left hand side. So will face your what? That's it. Left hand side. Like you're writing 6 facing left hand side this way. Good. Okay. So now, let's assume we want to transcribe words like girl. So to transcribe words like girl, we'll transcribe that's the schwa sound first. We say girl. After what's the next sound from a girl? It's what? It's g. After it's g. So you move to the next sound, g. So now we've written g. Followed by what? A girl. Remember I said to transcribe a sound, you just have to write the sounds, the symbol of each sound from the letter in that word. So that means the way you pronounce a word, what you pronounce is what you will transcribe. But for your level, the main focus here is for you to be able to write the because you might not be able to transcribe words on okay? But you must know how to write Alright, good. So let's continue. Now we've written and g from a girl. So what's remaining is what? L, a girl. The remaining sound is L. So your L is this symbol, and O. So now we have G and O as a girl. Okay? Let's pick another word. How do we want to transcribe this word? Agree. First, to transcribe is, let's first get the sounds. The sounds we have in that word, agree. So, the first sound is followed by g. Right? And tell me, after g, what's the next sound of agree? Agree. It's That's right. Now after what's the last sound? Agree. E. That's right. E. Agree. So to transcribe it, all we need to do is to write G, R, and E. Agree. It's as simple as that. Now, the challenge here is the symbols of those sounds. Okay? Once again, remember what I said. What you need to know, most importantly, is how to write Okay? You can ignore the rest of the sounds for now. Later, when we get to meet again on more sounds, then you can get to transcribe much words having much symbols. But for now, let's focus on how to write So, from agree to transcribe it, we'll have the schwa sound G. This one, G. Followed by agree. Agree. So what's the last sound? Agree. Then E. Oh, E, that's this symbol. It's like a one like this, and then with colon. Colon means a dot up and a dot down. So that's how you transcribe agree. So there are more words on that you have in the document that will be attached to today's lesson on how to transcribe So I want you to take your time, go through those transcriptions and just get familiar with them, understand them, study them. Once you're done with that, you have a class activity to do. Okay, that's homework for you all. Your homework is you have some words on the schwa sound, and what you are expected to do is don't transcribe all of the words, no. Just transcribe only the underlined letter. And the underlined letter is the letter or letters that you will get the schwa sound from. So you have the blank slashes. In the blank slashes, you write the symbol of the underlined letter from each word. Okay? Thank you. And I'll see you all in the next class.